Hey there, YouTube land, Brimstone667 here. So, I know it's been a bit since I actually did a video. Been a lot of health stuff going on, all that good stuff. I'll touch on that later. But, now that the weather's better and everything, it's time to start getting some things done around the house and the vehicles and stuff. So, I want to start out with this such nice weather today. And, well, I still got a little bit of energy. But, yeah, going to do a little bit of work on our daily car, and well, gonna show you guys how to take out these bulbs because I got a tail light out and I gotta get that replaced. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that here in a minute. Stick around. Alright, so as you can see, we got the door open, and it looks like so far we got 2 screws that we got to undo, so it should be pretty simple. So while I'm doing these, I'll hand the camera off real quick. And you could use a Phillips, but I am using a 8mm out of my handy dandy little Husky kit from Harbor Freight that my folks got me a while back. Just a little travel kit, nothing too fancy. Now I'm going to take these screws off. Hopefully I won't lose them. Oh, okay, that came off simpler than I thought. So come in here a little bit closer. So we got the top light. This is the light that's out. This is running lights. Bottom one is our blinkers, running lights, and brake lights. So we just gotta take this one off real quick. And sorry about the noise there. All you gotta do is turn counterclockwise. Yes, counterclockwise. And as you can see right there, just pull that on out and use my big old fat belly to stop that. So it is a 7443 from any of your shops that you go like to. I got this from Napa, of course. To be difficult coming out. Alright, and really simple. You just take it, put it in, put it back in, put it back in. Alright, so you got to do it so there's a way that it sits just so. So you got to make sure that it's flush and turn it clockwise, and boom. That's in. So now what we're going to do real quick is let that dangle. Hopefully you don't break it. Alright, so just hold up there a minute. Gotta find the right keys. Gotta find the right keys here. And easy peasy. Yeah, easy peasy. So well, now, and also while you're putting it back together, there's 2 little knobs here you got to line up. It goes right in there. I thought honestly that it was going to be some kind of flip that we got to undo, but luckily it is not. So let's put this all back together. Not do that tight yet, so we can get that, and just do a little bit at a time, just like anything else that you're going to do. And simple, all done. 2 screws, take off, twist it, new bulb. Simple as that. So I hope that helps you. And yeah, I think off camera though, I'm going to do the other side because I already did one side. You guys don't really need to see the other side because simple. 2 screws, like I just said, 2 screws, 2 tabs. Make sure that you align it when you put it back in. Clockwise, counterclockwise, pull and pull. Simple as that. So you can even do it yourself. So I hope this helps you. This is a 2004 Honda Pilot, and with a lot of miles. And yeah, so you know, things will break here and there. So we'll wrap that up, and we'll see you on the next one.